If WhatsApp calls are not showing on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here we can scroll down and we need to find the apps option. And then we need to search for WhatsApp. We need to find it in here. There we go. We're gonna select it. The first thing that we're gonna do is check for notifications, and you want to make sure that all these notifications that we have here are enabled. There are some additional options and specific notification types that you might want to check as well, just in case. But generally speaking, like for chats, show notifications should be on, probably message notifications as well, and so on. If that's already enabled and it still doesn't work, what you can also do is you can go to permissions. And then in here in permissions, you want to make sure that notifications is granted, call logs as well. So if it's off, you want to tap on the permission and grant the permission for the app. So I'm gonna actually grant the permission for all these things in here. There we go. We also want to choose nearby devices, phone, SMS, and photos and videos. Location is probably not really necessary, but this is how it should like. Pretty much every permission should be granted for WhatsApp to ensure that everything is working just fine. Also, something that I didn't mention actually in notifications, I think one of the most important notifications that you might want to check if it's on is the lock screen notifications. And maybe in addition to that, what you might want to do is go to notifications and status bar settings in the main page of settings, of course. And in here, go to lock screen. And for example, if your format is set to hide the content, you might want to switch to the visible content, at least temporarily, in order to make sure that, of course, it works just fine. And last but not least, remember that you can also try to restart or reboot your phone, and sometimes this helps too. And hopefully now everything will work just fine. And if not, I think the last thing that you can do is just simply uninstall the app from your phone and install it again. And hopefully this time it will work. Before you actually uninstall, you can also clear the data in here as well, like clear cache and clear app data as well. But keep in mind that, of course, you will be locked out of your account most likely if you do so. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel.